Hello, 5th standard students. Welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson fractional numbers, isn't it? So now we will study about discuss about subtraction, addition. You understood? Same way, but we have to subtract. So in the question, 1 by 2 minus 3 by 8. So what we have to do first? Take the LCM. 2 and 8. Both are even numbers. Start with 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Again 2 ones are 2s are 2 ones are 1s are. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. Okay. So convert these into denominator 8, isn't it? 2 fours are 8, 1 fours are 4. So in the next is 3 by 8. Again, it is already denominator is 8. So multiplied by 1. It remains the same. So now next step is write the question. 5 by 1 by 2 minus 3 by 8 is equal to 1 by 2. How much you got? It is 4 by 8. And next is second is 3 by 8. Now subtract the numerators. Denominator write as it is. It is 8. 4 minus 3 is 1. So you got the answer 1 by 8. Now next sum is 9 by 10 minus 3 by 5. So write 10 and 5. It is an even number. Start with 2. 5s are 10. 5 as it is. Now 5. 1s are 1s are. LCM is equal to 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. Now 9 by 10, denominator convert to 10. Already it is there. So 1s are. Now next is 3 by 5. Convert to denominator 10. 5 twos are 10. 3 twos are 6. Now write the question. 9 by 10 minus 3 by 5. So according to the now we have changed 9 by 10 minus 6 by 10. Write the denominator as it is. Now subtract the numerators. 9 minus 6 is 3. So you got the answer 3 by 10. Now coming to the question number C. 11 by 12 minus 2 by 3. So write 12 and 3. Take the LCM. Start with 2 because it is a even. Isn't it? Even number है तो 2 से ही start करने का. 2 6 are 12 and 3 as it is. Again start with 2. 3s are 6, 3 as it is. 3 1s are 1s are. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So first fraction is 11 by 12. Now 12. 12 how much are? 1s are. So numerator is 11 by 11. So 11 by 12 as it is. Now 2 by 3. Denominator 12 में convert करो. 3 how much are 12? 3 4s are 12. 2 4s are 8. Now write the question. 11 minus 12. 11 by 12 minus 2 by 3. First fraction is 11 by 12. Second fraction is how much? How much you got? 2 8 by 12. Now convert 11 minus 8. How much? 3. Denominator as it is. Now 3 and 12 they come in which table? 3. अगर ये छोटा करने को होता है लोएस्ट टर्म में कन्वर्ट करने का है तो कन्वर्ट करने का है, इतना ही रखे आने का नहीं, ठीक है। सो 3 1s are 3 4s are 12. So you got 1/4. Is it okay? Now coming to question number D. What is the denominator? 3 and 8. So 3 and 8. 8 is a even. So start with 2. 3 as it is. 2 4s are 2. 3 2s are 4. 2. 3 as it is. 2 1s are. Now 3 1s are 1. Now write LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 3s are 24. Isn't it? So 2/3 convert to denominator 24. 3 how much are 24? 3 8s are 2 8s are 16. आपको मालूम है ना, पहले डिनोमिनेटर को पूछने का कितने से उतना नंबर आता है, वही नंबर न्यूमरेटर डालने का और मल्टीप्लाई करने का। सो 2/8. 8 how much are 24? 8 3s are 24. 2 3s are 6. Now write the question. 2/3 minus 2/8 is equal to, फर्स्ट नंबर का कितना आया है 16/24 माइनस सेकेंड का 6/24. So 16 minus 6 it is 10/24. अभी ये दोनों किस में जाएंगे, 2 में जाएंगे, है ना। डिवाइड बाय 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 12s are 24. So final answer is 5/12. Clear? Now coming to the next sum. First convert it into what? Improper. It is a mixed number. So 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17. अब भी LCM ले लो. 4 8. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 1s. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. देखो ये रूल बड़े क्लास में आप लोगों को डायरेक्टली करने को सिखाएंगे। अभी आपको इतना कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आएगा, इसके लिए ये मेथड से ही जाओ। देखो 4 and 8, 4 का टेबल में 8 आता है तो 8 इज द एलसीएम। एलसीएम निकाल के देखेंगे तो उतना ही आता है, ठीक है। सो नाउ यू राइट 17/4 to 8. 4 2s are 8, 17 2s are, मालूम नहीं है तो 2 7s are 14, 1 in hand, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. Now 3/8. Denominator 8, 1s are, 3 1s are 3. So write the question. Now while writing the question, write the main question. 4 1/4 minus 3/8 is equal to, फर्स्ट नंबर का कितना आया है 34/8 माइनस सेकेंड नंबर का 3/8. अभी 4 minus 3 कितना 1 और टेंस का साइड में कितना है 3. सो सब्ट्रैक्ट 1s minus 1s, टेंस minus टेंस, वैसे जाने का, डिवाइड बाय अपॉन 8. अभी 8 का टेबल, बिकॉज इट इज अ इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, सो कन्वर्ट इनटू द मिक्स नंबर. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32. So 4 नहीं डाल सकते हैं. So it is how much? 8 3s are 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 है ना। सो आप लोगों को कितना मिला? 3, 7 by 8. Now coming to question number F. Question number F. What is it? Again, both are mixed. Convert into improper. 5 denominator. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 4, 19. Minus 10 2s are 20 plus 1, 21. अभी देखो ये 5 and 10, बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है? 10. 5 का टेबल में 10 आता है? यस. सो अभी एलसीएम आएगा 10. देखेंगे 5, 10. 10 is a even number. Start with 2. 5 as it is. 2 5s are 5, 1s are 1s are. LCM is equal to 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. आया 10. सो कैसे देखने का है? जिसका एलसीएम निकालते हैं सबसे बड़ा नंबर, वो नंबर छोटे नंबर के टेबल में है या नहीं. दैट विल बी द बिगर नंबर विल बी द एलसीएम. तो इधर आप लोगों को अलग मेथड है, वो बाद में हम सीखेंगे. चलो अभी 19 by 5 to 10. 5 2s are 10, 19 2s are 2 9s are 18, 1 in hand, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. Now 21 by 10. 10 1s are 21, 1s are 21. Write the main question. 3 4 by 5 minus 2 1 by 10. How much is it? First number it came up to 38 by 10 and second number is 21 by 10. Isn't it? Now subtract 8 minus 1. 7. 3 minus 2. 1 upon 10. Which type of fraction is it? It is a improper. So 10 1s are 10. 10 2s are 20. So you will be putting only 1s. 10 1s are 10. How much is remaining? 7 by 10. This is a final answer. Okay. So whenever there is an improper fraction, convert into mixed number. Whenever it can be converted into a lowest term, then convert into the lowest term. Clear? So that was about a subtraction. Question number F. Now coming to G. Okay. So now it is 4 minus 3 by 8. So 4 denominator is not there. Now write 4 by 1. Isn't it? Now 1 and 8 LCM will be 8. क्योंकि दूसरा नंबर 1 है. 2 1 2 sorry 2 4s are 8. 2 1 2 2s are 2 1 1s. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So एक नंबर 1 है, दूसरा नंबर कुछ भी है तो ऑलवेज द अदर नंबर इज द एलसीएम. 4 by 1 8 में कन्वर्ट करो. 1 8 4 8 32. अभी नेक्स्ट है 3 by 8 8. सेम नंबर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1. 3 1s are 3. नाउ राइट द क्वेश्चन. 4 minus 3 by 8 is equal to 32 by 8 minus 3 by 8. कितना आया? 32. मतलब 2 minus 3. Not possible. 12 minus 3. है ना? फॉलो करने का है. याद है ना सब्ट्रैक्शन? सो 12 minus 3 is 9. अभी टेंस के साइड में कितना बचा? पहले 3 था, हम एक उस तरफ लेके गए. नाउ इट विल बी 2 is remaining. Understand? So 8 how much are 29? 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32. So 8 threes are 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. कितना बचा? 5 by 8. Clear? Now coming to the last sum. So what we have to do? First convert into the improper. 5. 5 twos are 10 plus 1 11 minus 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3. Now 5 and 2. अब ये आएगा 10. कैसे? 2 5 ones are 5 ones are ones are. LCM is equal to 2 5s are 10. There is a rule. आप लोगों को प्राइम नंबर्स का टॉपिक हुआ है ना? Whenever there are the prime numbers, both the numbers are prime numbers, just multiply the prime numbers, that is the LCM. That is another rule. Okay, so to find out the LCM, you have to multiply. If the numbers are prime numbers, then multiply, the product will be the LCM. 2 and 5 are prime numbers. Okay, now coming to 11 by 5, denominator is 10. 5 twos are 10, 11 twos are 22. Now 3 by 2, denominator is 10. 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. Now what we have to do? Write the question, main question. 2 1 by 5 minus 1 1 by 2. First number is 22 by 10 minus second number is 15 by 10. Now subtract. 2 minus 5, not possible. 12 minus 5, isn't it? Borrow. So it will be 12 minus 5 is 7. Now here 1 is remaining. 1 minus 1 is 0. So you got 7 by 10. It is a proper fraction. Keep it like that. Did you understand? So we have completed the subtraction topic also. So we have till here we have understood about the converting to lowest term. Then the comparison by two methods. One is the cross multiplication method and second is the LCM method. Then we understood about the ascending order, descending order, then the addition and subtraction. Okay, all of you, hope everyone is confident with these topics. Okay then, bye, thank you and take care.